You can find this memorial and warning at the Berkeley Amtrak depot. Scott Slaughter was killed here November 15, 2007. He was 31 years old. May he rest in peace. In honoring him and yourself, please do not cross here. Legal crossings are found 1 block north or south at Addison or Hearst. Trains approaching this location may not stop. Non-stopping trains travel at 50 to 70 miles per hour. They cannot stop in time to avoid pedestrians crossing tracks by the time they are in sight. Crossing tracks here constitutes trespassing per California Penal Code 3691. The train you hear approaching is the southbound San Joaquin 716 on its way to Bakersfield. It's not going to stop. This clip is in progressive format. To determine the speed, I look at a frame in interlaced format. This shows a wheel and the double image in the same frame. For the horizontal scale, I assume a wheel diameter of 36 inches. This is what I measured on a gondola car parked on a siding. Dividing the shift by the time between images, about a 60th of a second, gives a speed of 58.5 miles per hour.